This is probably the best food grinder attachment for your KitchenAID mixer and grinder. It's a metal food grinder. Probably, I don't think there's anything to compare it to actually, that how good it is. This is the pusher right here on the side. This is the cleaning brush that it comes with. These are the output tubes to make sausage. This is the device itself that you would see in a second right here. These are the grinder front plates with different sizes that you have. The medium, you have the smaller one, and the big one is already mounted on it. I'm going to show you here in just a second. And here's the wash plate that goes before it. Let me just take this out and show you real quick. Okay, and here's the attachment. Here's the top plate that you would put the fruits, vegetables, or your meats. It attaches on the top here. Here's the attachment that goes on the grinder itself, or the mixer at the front. You just place it inside here, and then you have your blade that goes facing the blade part towards the front, because that's where it's gonna cut. You place it back in there, and then you put the filter, I would say. I'm using the big one. Here's the notch, and this one has like a notch here that it fits only in that placement right there. And here's the tightening screw for it on the front, and that's how easy it is. And let's just attach it to the KitchenAID mixer and see it in work grinding some meat. And the attachment here, you just release this lever here, take the top protector here, and just place our mixer. It has some little notches here, as you see on the side. It will not let you put it the wrong way even if you want to, so just make sure you align the inside part, and here it goes. That's all it is to it. And then tighten it back up so it holds, and that's all it does. And here, make sure this is tight enough. And at this point, you're just ready to go. You can eat, as I said, either use fruit or meat or whatever you might be doing. I may not be the best cook here. I'm just doing this to show you real quick what it can do. And here, let's lock the lever so it doesn't lift up. And take a plate or whatever you would like to use so it falls on the, doesn't fall just on the board. And the speed is here on the back. And let's wait for it to start. As you see, it does a really good job, and now you have your ground meat just coming out. And you can do that the same with vegetables or potatoes or other stuff. Just make sure you cut it small enough to fit on this hole, and do not use your hands. Please use the pusher only, and only use your pusher. As you see here, it will go down there and push it, and the pusher doesn't get hurt when it goes to the bottom, so don't worry about that part. And just continue grinding whatever you're preparing for your cooking. That's my review on this attachment, which in my opinion is the best thing you can buy for your kitchen.